Boom, boom. Hey, it is I, TJ, Taurai Jack, and I'm coming out straight from the M5 Property Addicts. And for some of you, you already know me. If you don't know me, hey, I am that guy who literally picked up the Investor of the Year, right? Investor of the Year in the big leagues last year. And I decided, well, when I started off the journey, it was not about winning awards. It wasn't about that. It was just about for me to put food onto the table. And out of that, I got recognized and I won an award and my heart sank. But not only did it sink, I also wanted to make sure that people who were like me, people who were employed, people that are wanting to start off, people that are wanting to be doing awesome things in the property, they can also achieve the same success that I've been doing. So over and above that, I decided that from the 1st of November all the way to the 15th of November, you know that my book is out. Yeah, it is right here. From bed debt to Property Mogul in 2 years. I started off in debt, 5 million rand, but I got out of it. And within this book, I give you tips on how to do it. I give you tips on how you can excel. This book is written with you in mind, the guy who's wanting to start off in property, the guy who's wanting to excel from maybe around about 3, 4, because right now I'm buying more bigger buildings. How did I do it? It's all in here. And if I can do it, I am sure you can do it. So what's going to happen? From the 1st of November all the way to the 15th of December, you just need to pick up a copy of this book on my website. And then on the 16th of December, you will receive an email that will come through to you with some few questions. I'm going to choose one question per each topic, and you need to answer that correctly. Or on the 16th of December, on all of our social medias, I am going to put the same link of the same questionnaire so that obviously you can take the survey, or should I say you can take the questionnaire. And I've got 50,000 Rand worth of prizes to be giving to you. How many people are going to win those prizes? 5 people. I've chosen 5 people. I will choose 5 people out of the people that will buy the book, do the questionnaire, and this is obviously to your success. It is I, TJ, your Property Mogul. Cheers. God bless. Goodbye.